All right, welcome back, gentlemen, to the Bitcoin market update. Today is January 6th, 2020. Let's jump right into it. Bitcoin BTC USD is at $7,877.51 currently. Yeah, it's looking really good here. Beautiful uptrend. Today's candle was so nice. We punched through this area of resistance that I had here. That's really great. I'm going to say we're right there on the top of it right now. I'm going to say let's stay in it. So looking really good. Bitcoin USD looking fantastic. I love all the levels. We're still going to try to shoot higher. 85, 86 is our first target. We need to get above this Kumo cloud about 85 and then hopefully up to 86. That is target one. My ultimate target is around 92. I'm hoping that we can get at least that high. That would be fantastic. But we'll see. We'll see what tomorrow has in store for us and the following days. How about LTC BTC? LTC BTC is looking like a buy for today, but on the daily, it's suffering a big pullback. What is going on here? It looks like it back tests the 20-day moving average, which I concur. That's all right. Yeah, it's just pulling back here. I'm thinking that based on this candle here, I would stay in it, but because of this pullback here, I'm wondering if it should be a get out of it situation. Wow, wiping out 1, 2, 3 days worth of gains. Oh, that's not good. That is not good at all. Well, here it is back testing the 20-day moving average where it didn't really do that before, and now we're getting lift a little bit, not very much. I would wait and see how this thing closes. Let's hope that this thing will close above the 9, but this looks terrible right now. Terrible. Yeah. I want to see how this one closes. I know we're not too far into this candle, maybe 5 hours, plus or minus. And yeah, it doesn't look good. It's just been dumping. But we're going to stay in it. We're going to see what it does. LTC USD is at $45. Oh my goodness. And look at this uptick. Amazing. Good upside here. We are getting a bit of pullback. But that LTC BTC, it could just be pulling back on Litecoin while Bitcoin is moving up. So that's why you got that big gap in there, and LTC BTC not looking good right now. But I think it'll level out and end up looking okay towards the end of the day, especially tomorrow. Okay, good job staying in. Litecoin doing really, really well. I'd love to see. Let's see, we got in later here about 42, and it's already at 45, and it looks like it pushed up to 46 today. That's not bad. And we have more upside potential, in my opinion. I don't think that this is a turnaround area. So for Litecoin, Bitcoin, and for Litecoin USD, I'd say stay in it. ETH BTC, let's check it out. ETH BTC had a great day today, not too bad. It's suffering the same fate as Litecoin BTC. So we're going to see, I'm going to wait. I'm going to be a little patient with it. I want to see what this does. It might even wick down even further before coming back up. We're going to watch and see. Okay, ETH USD, looking good. We're above that 50-day moving average. I love it. It's looking real good. XTZ, Tezos, BTC, still on the downtrend. Stay out of it. Now we're below the Kumo cloud. This is really not good for it, but we'll see where it goes. XTZ USD, stay out of this also. Yeah, it doesn't look too good. Bitcoin Cash BTC, looking good. Stay in it. Wow, we've just been winning on this one. This is awesome. So we reached my goal of a 786 bounce today. Is this time to take profit? Very, very interesting. I want to see how this day closes, but it's possible we might be getting out soon. It is entirely possible. If this target gets if we just blow by this target, then I'm wondering if, when I look at this chart, if we don't have something like this to look forward to, let's go like that, that maybe we don't have a target of here and a target of here also. So I'm wondering if we blow by that and keep running up, as if this could be a target up here. So let's just wait and see. We're going to see what tomorrow brings. And so far, it's getting a little pullback here, but we've had pullbacks in the past that just kept going. So we're going to hold off and see what happens. Bitcoin Cash USD is at $241.65. And we're going to stay in this one as well. It's pushing, and it looks like it could keep pushing. So according to my targets. So we're at $241. I think we can go to $288. But we'll see what happens. Stay in it. Ethereum Classic BTC is getting a hard pullback right now at the top. I'm going to just say on this one, did it hit targets? Let's see. Oh, we don't have anything listed here yet. Let's just pull a fib off of that and see where it lands. And hopefully we can see some clarity. Okay, so we got a full close on the 618. This, and then it started to pull back. It did wick up pretty high to roughly the 786. But I'm actually gonna say, this is a tough one here. I'm gonna say stay in it. Actually, this candle looks freaking terrible. We might be in for some downtrend for a little bit. Maybe even a back test of that 20-day moving average. I'm just trying to ignore this red candle right here and just look at this. The fact that it wicked up really high and then the bears smacked it down below the open even further, and then it came up just a hair, and then on this open it got smacked down. I don't know. Ethereum Classic BTC, look for a retest of that 20-day. So I'm just going to say for today, let's just stay out of it. I wish I would have got here earlier and before this candle did anything, but it almost seems like a hindsight trade, and I don't like that. But this is kind of a get out of it situation. Ethereum Classic USD, good candle on here, and I'm going to say let's stay in it. Like I said, this is probably Ethereum Classic USD is probably coming down to touch the 9. I bet that's what it's going to do in a day or two, or it's going to touch that 9 or even the 20 and then give a good bounce. So I don't think that this is the top yet, but I'm going to stay in it at $4.88. Ethereum Classic USD, stay in it. XRP BTC. What a good day. That was unbelievable. Now we're getting a back test of the 9. Okay. XRP Bitcoin. Love it. I'm going in. This is it. Now, if you're not in, right, you need to try to put a buy in at that 9, right? I'm going to go like this. And yeah, there's a buy right there at 0.00002706. I'm thinking we could get one right there as a buy. Probably come down a little bit, maybe even touch that 20, but that's a pretty safe entry point. I like that. And XRP BTC is a buy. How about XRP USD? Let's check that out. What a monster day today was. We've been in XRP USD for a while, and wowee, this is awesome. Love seeing this. This is really good. So now that XRP BTC is in and XRP USD is in, I love it. I'm going to stay in it. EOS BTC, let's check it out. Good day today. We're getting some back test. This one here, I'm going to stick with it. I'm not going to sell here. It would be a flush trade with no gain. I think, let's look at EOS USD. Oh yeah, this might come down a little further, but I'm just going to stick with both these trades on the uptick. I think that's fine. Real quick, going back to Ethereum Classic BTC. Yeah, for some reason this one got just hammered, and I don't like that. I've got to get out of this one. I just had to revisit that for a minute. Yeah, let's stay out of that. So EOS BTC. Stay in it. EOS USD. Stay in it. Stellar Lumens BTC. Stay in it. It's back testing the 9. It's okay. Oh, this is one I got to get in. Sorry, we have not been in this one yet. I love it. Let's do it right now. And if you're not in this one, this is what I'm saying, because this is pulling back. Get it on that 9 right there. See that? Boom. It's about ready to hit it too. It'll be a good entry point. Love it. That's Stellar Lumens BTC. Get in it. Stellar Lumens USD. Same thing here. I'd love to see a purchase on the 9. We have not been a part of this. This would have been an okay entry, but a lot of my God mode and RSI didn't look very good, and I'm glad that we're seeing an entry for it now. But maybe, just maybe, you can catch it on the 9 quite a bit lower on a back test of that 9-day moving average or the back test of the 20. But Stellar Lumens USD, get in it. How about Rep BTC? Rep is getting some lift right here, but it's not enough for us to buy it. We're going to stay out of it. I'm glad we didn't get into this earlier. Let's see. Let me pull this back a little ways and see where we're at. Yeah, stay out of Rep. Rep USD looking good. Rep USD continuing its uptrend, but Rep BTC not quite doing it for us today. Okay, that's okay. Rep USD, stay in it. Rep BTC, stay out of it. 0x BTC, stay out of it. And it's glad we weren't in that. That's nasty. 0x USD. Actually, today looks like a buy it situation. I like that. Yeah, I like it. Let's do it. 0x USD is a buy. It may turn into a sell. Some of these might turn into a sell if it sells off the market tomorrow, but we'll have to see. ZEC BTC, stay in it, getting a back test of that 9, and we'll have to see full close below it or open and close below it would be an exit point. But for right now, I like the trend up. Hopefully this isn't it. We got to see how this one finishes. Okay, ZEC BTC, stay in it. ZEC USDC, stay in it. It's going good. Getting pulled back here. It will probably retest that 9. Algo USD. We already did get a touch of the 9, our Algo, so I'm staying in it. That's fine. Link USD is now a buy. Okay, Link. Let's see if you can join the fray here and see what happens. We're going to add it to Link, and Link try to catch it on this 9 also. I'm going to pull this back. Let's see if that's right. Yeah, we'll get that right there. Link is a buy, and save that. And yeah, oh, that's what I want to do. Try to get it here with a golden cross. There's a good buy right there. Hopefully you can get it there. BAT, basic attention token. Stay in it. It's looking okay. Got some lift today. Very good. Nice entry. Good entry on here. Got shaken out. We got back in, and now we're going to get some gains. This is really good. Okay. GNT. How is this looking? Today's a buy. I like that. Okay. God mode giving some lift. Okay. And I like the volume. Oh, let's save that right there. GNT USDC is a buy. Okay. And how about Mana USD? Mana. All right. We got a... Oh, this is interesting. All right. So we got a buyback on the 9. We scalped it. Bought back on the 9. It dumped lower. We sold it right here. We went up and we said we would do a stop sell right here on this red line. It barely caught it, so, and then it wicked back up. That's fine, not a big deal. Now I'm going to say let's do a stop buy on I'm going to move this out of here. Let's try to do a stop buy, and we're going to do it right here on this line on the 9. And we're going to actually gain a little bit here. We're going to turn this unfortunate wick into a profit. So I want to do a buyback on the 9 right here. And because this wick happened, I'm going to circle it with this. This is meaning it's a scalp, right? Scalperoonie right there off of that candle. And there you go. So now we're trying to get a buyback on the 9. Well, if this candle can pull back, that'd be pretty great. Mana USD, we're out of it. And what I'm going to do is put a sell on this date because we got stopped out down here on this wick. So there's our scalp. Come back down, buy it lower, and then hopefully we'll continue a trend up. But looks like the market is trying to just basically back test the 9 and give a little bit of a relief rally from the big hard run up before it maybe runs up again. But this is we're gonna turn this into a real positive thing for us. Okay, Mana USD, that's a sell right now, and good. Okay, I like this. This is all right. Loom USD. Loom, stay in it. It's staying above the 9. I like RSI and levels for God mode. We're trying to battle. Our next target is to try to get on that top side of the Bollinger Band and hit that 20-day moving average for Loom USD. And yeah, we'll see if we can get it. What's really nice is that the Lucid SAR is giving us lift, and this area of support right here is holding. This big red block is holding. We have a stop sell here. We're going to take it out. It wasn't triggered, and everything looks good. Yeah, I like where we're heading. This was a good call back here, saying it could go bullish, and it dipped one more time, and then it went bullish. So instincts were okay on that, and I just want to leave notes like that on the chart to just say, hey, when I look back on it, I can look at levels and look at where we are on the chart and say instincts were okay on that. Loom USD, stay in it. Civic USDC. This is interesting. I want to stay out of this. I don't want to get into this one right now. Yeah, I just don't like what I'm seeing here. A lot of chop. It's still sideways, right? I mean, we are getting a little bit of lift, but it's just fractions of pennies. It's not really giving us a lift that we're really looking for. So I'm just going to stay out of this for now. DNT is the last one for today, and DNT is still a buy. Stay in it. We're getting a lift now from the Lucid SAR to the upside. The stop sell wasn't triggered. I'm going to remove this, and I'm going to remove this right here. Yeah, we're just going to keep on staying with it. It looks really good. So we had a few changes today. Not too bad. Some of them will probably. It's quite likely that tomorrow, if we get a continuation of the BTC trend going upward, then some of these we might get right back into tomorrow. It depends on how the back testing of the 9 plays out, and some of those could still be profit, which is pretty amazing. All right, looking good today, guys. We're in this area of resistance that it just doesn't want to let any price action go above. We did get a wick, but a pullback. So BTC USD right here, we're going to stay in it and see where it takes us. All right, God bless you guys. I'm out of here. We'll see you in the group. I'm out.